Welcome back to Exploring History, the channel that delves into fascinating historical topics. In today's video, we're diving into the intriguing subject of Nazi UFOs and their alleged belief in the occult. We'll separate fact from fiction and debunk some popular myths surrounding this controversial topic. Let's get started. To understand the connection between Nazi Germany and the occult, we need to explore the historical context. The early 20th century witnessed a rise in occult interest worldwide, and Germany was no exception. Occult societies, such as the Thule Society, gained popularity, attracting individuals with an interest in Germanic mysticism and esoteric beliefs. One of the groups often associated with Nazi UFO mythology is the Vril Society. They believed in an underground race of superhumans, the Vrilya, who possessed advanced technology powered by a mystical energy source called Vril. Conspiracy theories suggest that the Nazis used this knowledge to develop UFO-like technology. However, it's important to note that these claims lack credible evidence and are largely based on speculation. Another fascinating aspect often linked to Nazi UFOs is the mysterious Die Glocke or the bell. According to conspiracy theories, Die Glocke was a secret Nazi experiment aimed at creating anti-gravity or time travel technology. While the stories surrounding Die Glocke have captured the public's imagination, there is no concrete evidence to support its existence. It is widely regarded as a myth or fabrication. The Ahnenerbe was a research institute established by the SS with the aim of investigating the historical and cultural roots of the Aryan race. While they delved into a wide range of subjects, including archaeology and anthropology, their interest in the occult is often highlighted. However, it's important to note that the Ahnenerbe's research was based on pseudoscience and nationalist ideologies, rather than genuine occult practices. Despite the popularity of Nazi UFO myths, it is essential to approach these claims with skepticism. The available evidence suggests that the Nazis focused on conventional weapons and technologies, such as the V-2 rocket and jet aircraft, rather than extraterrestrial or occult-powered UFOs. The influence of occultism within Nazi Germany, while present in certain circles, did not shape their military strategies or technological advancements significantly. As we conclude our exploration of Nazi UFOs and their alleged belief in the occult, it's clear that many of the popular myths surrounding these topics lack solid evidence. While some individuals and groups within Nazi Germany had an interest in occultism, it is important to differentiate between speculative claims and well-documented historical events. By critically evaluating the available evidence, we can separate fact from fiction and gain a more accurate understanding of this complex era in history. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more captivating historical content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring history.